Welcome to Refracted Mindscape. This is an audiovisual exhibition, so in it you'll be meeting two people, Janus and Hannah, who share the same body, as well as a bunch of other personalities. So the way that this is going to work is that in a similar way to how the personalities have to negotiate who controls the body, you will have to decide amongst yourselves what path to take through the story. So we've got an audio mixer here. It's fairly simple. At the beginning, it'll be set in the middle and they will introduce themselves, and then they will split off and start speaking about their own things, at which point you need to decide whether you listen to Janus' side first or to Hannah's side first. Later on in the exhibition, you will then have an opportunity to swap over to the other side and listen to the other person's story. So we've also got some booklets here with introductions written by some of the personalities, as well as artwork and pictures that they feel best describes them and that they've made themselves.
So, I have voices in my head. They are actual people, they have feelings, they have aspirations. It kind of started off from when I can remember. Around age 9 is probably when I can start remembering clearly. But the voices have always kind of been my friends, and so I've never really felt out of a group or lost socially necessarily, because I always had these people up here. The first that you will be meeting will be Hannah. She is the oldest and has been around the longest. She was the first voice and has been my best friend for my whole life.